Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 10 favorite fall lipsticks, and these are going to be my favorite bullet lipsticks. This is not talking about liquid lipsticks or lip glosses or anything like that. This is just focused on my favorite bullet lipsticks. The first lipstick that is one of my favorites, and I got this one earlier this year, but I've really been wearing it a lot recently, and this is one of the Morphe cream lipsticks, and it's in the color Shady, which is a really pretty taupe. And I know that maybe this color is not for everybody, but if you do like a good taupe brown lipstick, I think you would absolutely love this. I think it looks really good with people that have brown eyes, and I don't know, I think it's something a little different, but at the same time it's very wearable and everyday. And I also really like the formula of these cream lipsticks by Morphe. They just feel really nice and comfortable on the lips. They're just easy to throw on. Like a lot of times I don't even wear this one with a lip liner. And I'm just going to be taking like the lipsticks off and then putting like the new shade on each time that I talk about like the color. And these are not in any particular order necessarily. Like these are not in order to like my favorite to least favorite. I'm just doing these kind of like lightest to darkest sort of thing, because some of the darker lipsticks are pretty dark and can kind of stain my lips. So I kind of want to go in shade order. So this next one, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my lips real quick. This next one is a Maybelline lipstick, and this is in the color Touchable Taupe. And it's kind of along the lines of the Morphe lipstick. This one is just slightly a little bit more, I guess, wearable, because it has a little bit more of like a rose kind of undertone to it. Like it has a little bit of like pink tones, where the Morphe one is just straight up brown. So yeah, if you like something along the lines of this one, but you don't want to go quite as brown, then get the Touchable Taupe by Maybelline, because it's really beautiful. It's another one of those nudes that I feel like looks good in the fall because it's a little darker, a little something different. And once again, I love the formula of my Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks. I feel like this is slightly a little bit more long wearing than the Morphe one, because it's not quite as moisturizing as that one. I mean, it still feels really comfortable on the lips, but yeah, I mean, it's just easy to wear. And the same thing goes with this lipstick. I can just throw it on really easy and not have to worry about using a lip liner. So love that one. This next lipstick is super moisturizing, and it's a really pretty mauve. And it's one of the L'Oreal Coloris Shines in the color Varnish Rosewood. And this is a color that I kind of wear year round, but I do reach for it a little bit more in the fall, winter months. But it's such a pretty color, and I feel like this is very flattering on a lot of different skin tones, and it's just easy and wearable. It's very moisturizing, just like the Morphe cream lipstick. And normally I like to pair this one with my Rimmel lip liner in Addiction, just to kind of give it a little bit more depth and kind of help it to stay on my lips a little better. This is kind of a step up from the L'Oreal in Varnish Rosewood. This is the Maybelline Shine Compulsion, and this is in the color Taupe Seduction. So it is slightly darker than Varnish Rosewood, but it's definitely along the same lines as like that mauve purple color that I feel like looks so beautiful this time of the year. So I also like to pair this with the lip liner in Addiction from Rimmel. I know that this probably wasn't the best eye look to wear with these lipsticks, because I don't really feel like this eye look goes with this lipstick. This is the Milani color, what is this? It's not Color Sensational, because that's Maybelline. Color Statement, I think that's what these are called. And this is in Rose Femme. So this is an even darker color, like a darker mauve pink. And I think this is so pretty for the fall. I think this is also another one that's pretty for like spring. I mean, it's good year round, but I tend to wear it more in the fall months. And I really like the formula of the Milani Statement lipsticks, Color Statement, because kind of like the Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks, they feel nice and moisturizing on the lips, but at the same time they do last for a long time. They have really great like intense color, and I love the way they smell. Like it has like a nice fruity fragrance to it. So, and the packaging is also really pretty on this. Not that it matters. This is the Maybelline Bold Matte in Gone Greige. And I know that this is not a color for everyone, but I love to bust this shade out in the fall and winter months because, I don't know, I really like it. I think it's different and I don't know, I just like it. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like the taupey colors that I was just showing you guys at the beginning. It's kind of in between like a taupe and a purple. So, I mean, I know not everyone can pull this off, but if you can, I do really like that color for fall. It's one of my favorites. Okay, these last four that I'm about to show you guys, I know I said I wasn't doing these in order to how I like them, but these last four are definitely like my very favorite out of all of the lipsticks. I mean, I know I really wear nudes and stuff like that a lot, just day to day, but these are definitely like my favorite fall lipsticks. I pretty much only wear these in the fall months. So yeah, this first one is from Wet n Wild and it's in the color Mochalicious. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I normally pair this with the Rimmel lip liner in Epic. It matches it perfectly, but this is just such a good fall nude. It's kind of in between a red and a brown, and even though it's darker, I feel like it is still pretty wearable. Like, it doesn't seem too dark to wear day to day. Not that that matters to me, but I feel like it is a little bit more versatile than the other colors I'm about to show you guys. But yeah, this is just one of my all-time favorites. I feel like if all of my fall lipsticks disappeared and I could only have one, this would probably be the one that is my favorite out of all of these that I'm showing you guys today. So if you do not have Mochalicious and you like a good color like this, highly recommend that you go and pick this up. And this is from their Mega Last lipstick line, and they're super affordable. I think they're like $2 and some change. So really affordable lipsticks, and it is more of a matte formula, but I find that it lasts for a long time on the lips and it doesn't feel super drying. This red is definitely my favorite red for the fall. And I just discovered this lipstick a few weeks ago, but this is another Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick, and this is in the color Cardinal or Cinnamon. I don't know why I said Cardinal. Cinnamon Spice. And it is so pretty. Like, I cannot believe that I didn't have this lipstick in my collection until recently. But this is definitely the perfect red because it is not too orangey and it's not too blue toned. This is like a good neutral brick red. And I think it is gorgeous for the fall and winter months. So this is definitely a top pick for me. I love a good vampy lipstick in the fall. And this and the last one I'm going to show you are my two very favorite vampy lipsticks. This is another Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick, and this is in Cherry Bomb. And it's such a dark plum. So pretty, and I like to pair it with this CoverGirl Exhibitionist lip liner in Plum Partner. It's definitely one of those lipsticks that you need a lip liner with, and I'm going to kind of touch this up a little bit. But like I said, it's definitely one of those that you need a lip liner with, and I know that those types of shades, it can be hard to find a good lip liner that pairs with it, and so if you've been on the hunt to find a good one, this is an awesome one. The CoverGirl Exhibitionist in Plum Partner. This is even a little darker than Cherry Bomb, and this is the Urban Decay Cherry lipstick. And I got this from the Cherry collection, like from their Naked Cherry collection last fall, but I think they still make this. This is one of their Vice lipsticks, and it is the perfect vampy lip. But, you know, a close dupe to it is the Wet n Wild Cherry Bomb. So maybe if you're wanting a little bit of a more affordable option, you could get this one. But this one is slightly a little darker. And yeah, so I hope that you guys did enjoy seeing what my top 10 favorite fall lipsticks are. And I feel like a lot of these are probably the same as they were last fall. I think last year I did include liquid lipsticks and stuff like that, but I thought I would change it up and this year just do just lipsticks, just cream bullet lipsticks. So if you guys did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what are some of your favorite fall lipsticks. If there's a color that I didn't mention that you think that I would love, let me know down in the comments. And if you are new or if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Make sure that you click the bell to turn on your notifications so you will know as soon as I post a new video. But I hope that you guys have an awesome day and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.